So about a year ago, we moved into our house and this house had carpets everywhere. What we decided to do is to just change all the carpets back to what we thought was wooden floors, but actually after having Pierre and Lorenzo over with Art of Clean, doing like a really deep clean of our carpets back when we moved in, we went back to them knowing that now they also had Art of Flooring, and we talked to them about different options and, you know, what would be good for us. And what they advised us is having a 4-year-old who really likes cars, is to actually perhaps look for an option like a luxury vinyl. Now, we hadn't heard anything about luxury vinyls before, so they kind of showed us the different samples, and we were really surprised to look at how realistic they actually look. They actually look like wood. So in the end, we decided to go for that, and we actually decided to just put everything into storage, and then so that the team could have a blank canvas basically. And over a period of a week, you know, they've done both the upstairs and the downstairs, which was really great for us. So yeah, highly recommended from us.